Hey folks, this is Viraj from engineering here at H2Loop and we built Hydron. It's an AI coding agent for embedded engineers. In today's video, I'll show you how it helped me with sleep mode serial logging for an onboard temperature sensor on this STM32U3 nuclear board. For starters, let's go ahead and create a Hydron project so the agent has good context on the target hardware. With Hydron's project, you can choose from a pre-indexed platform or also go ahead and add your own custom data sources. For this project, I'll be picking up the U3 platform from our hardware registry and attaching it to the project. Now, Hydron has context about all the documentations and data sheets on this specific platform. Let's go ahead and put Hydron to work in the ask mode. Great. So I started with the bare CubeMX project. No timers have been configured and nothing low power has been set up. Hydron went ahead and queried the datasheet and the reference manual that was uploaded as context to it and stated its findings. Let's go ahead and plan the implementation around it. Great. So Hydron has now written a plan with our constraints stating that LPTIM1 running off the LSI to wake the CPU up every once a second to sample the temperature values from the sensor and then push it over UART in a buffer of 5 readings each. Let's go ahead and hit the code mode now to implement the plan. Great, so now the agent has started to make edits to our file. Great. Now that Hydron has gone ahead and created lptm.h and linked it to main.c file, let's go ahead and build this project. The build has succeeded and I'm going to use an alias command I already have in place for this output.elf file. To verify if the firmware is working, let's go ahead and create a Hydron monitor. Great. And to prove it's reading real data, here's our board going into the freezer. Watch the readings drop and the negative temperature getting logged. We are running a 50% off on all our paid plans for the next week. That's it on the demo, folks. Try Hydron for free today and join our Discord community for embedded engineers. Thank you.